In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a cell color if a checkbox is checked in Google Sheets. I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can easily follow along and apply this to your own spreadsheet. Let's get started by opening up your Google Sheets document where you'd like to add this functionality. First, determine which rows you want to change color whenever a checkbox within them is checked. Click and drag to select all those rows. You can adjust this later if needed, but getting it right at the outset can save you time. Once you have your rows selected, navigate up to the toolbar at the top of your Google Sheets interface. You're going to click on the Format option. This brings up a drop-down menu, and from that menu, select Conditional Formatting. This powerful feature allows us to apply formatting to cells based on specific conditions. On the right side of your screen, a Conditional Formatting sidebar will open. Here, you'll want to focus on creating a custom formula. Hover over the Format Cells If section and choose Custom Formula Is from the drop-down menu. This option is key because it provides flexibility, allowing us to define a specific condition where this formatting will apply. Now, it's time to enter a custom formula. Type in an equals sign, which tells Google Sheets you're about to input a formula. Next, enter the location of your first checkbox. It's important here to lock down the column. Do this by adding a $sign before the column letter in your cell reference. By locking the column, we're ensuring that the condition applies to the entire row whenever the checkbox in that row is checked. After that, set your condition to be equal to true. Your formula should look something like this. Equals A1 equals true, assuming your checkbox is in column A. Once your formula is in place, it's time to decide how you want your row to change its appearance. You can choose from a variety of formatting options, such as changing the text color, adding bold or italics, but most commonly, you'll want to focus on changing the fill color. Pick a color that will stand out yet is visually pleasing, making it easy to see at a glance which rows are active. After selecting the desired color, simply click Done to apply this rule. Now, the magic is ready to happen. Go back to any of the checked boxes in your selected rows and click on one. You should see the entire row change its color immediately thanks to the condition you just set up. And that's it. You've now configured your Google Sheet to automatically change the color of a row when a checkbox is checked. This can be a game changer for keeping your data organized and making sure key items stand out. Thank you for following along, and I hope this enhances your productivity in managing spreadsheets.